Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I am happy to share with you a bead box bargain haul. Now, this is the company that does the bargain bead box, but I haven't gotten one of those for months. But they're a really good deal if you want to look into them. But their sister site, Bead Box Bargains, is where you can get, oh my gosh, beads and findings galore. So everything I'm going to show you today was only $35.97. And not only was it all check glass beads and quality findings, but the weekend of Easter they had what was called an Easter egg hunt. And you didn't know what would unlock it, but I'm thinking it was like spending at certain price points. And they wrap things so lovely, and this was in a bubble wrap. And then they put the special Easter egg gifts in separate bags. And this is cool. I got this totally free. Some clasps, a beautiful sun pendant, a mystery check glass bead set. This looks kind of like a hematite type, and it's all check glass. And these beautiful, I have to open these because I saw them on the website and I'm like, oh, that is so adorable. Completely free, and they run sales like that and specials every once in a while. And look at these gorgeous. I got them as a pair. Another one of the Easter egg gifts. And so I am actually opening this with you. I haven't looked through it yet. I mean, I obviously know what I got, but look how much stuff. I got all this stuff for, again, less than $36. It's just amazing. And what I like is they specially mark, like if you order more than one of an item, so to make sure you get two. I love that, because I just got an order for Jesse James beads, and I swear, I stopped ordering from them, and I just ordered recently because they had a 50% off clearance. But wouldn't you know, as always, it's either something broken or missing. And it was right there, two bead strands of, I think they were check glass pearls, missing strand, and I had to email them and said, I have a missing strand. And of course, they're very quick to ship it back out, but it's just a hassle that you have to babysit them. But I'm pleased that I've never had this trouble that I can remember, and I've been ordering from Bead Box Bargains for years. I don't remember ever having this trouble. And it's beadboxbargains.com. Again, this isn't sponsored, which you probably knew because that was my bill you saw. And they always tape a free gift on top of everything else. And look at that. These cute little blue. It looks like very Perry. It looks like last year's Pantone. But isn't that cute? Very detailed. Okay, so that is what I got for a gift. So I'll just share some of the beads and findings I got. Oh, I love these. I wanted two of these, and I didn't. Oh, I mean three, because I did get two. I didn't act in time. I love, like this, oh, almost like a mint green. Look how gorgeous these check glass beads are. I want to get three. We hear, what do you know, man, it started running out of stock probably, really quick, because I think these may have been on clearance. And they're so gorgeous, these faceted check beads. And also, if you sign up for their newsletter, you're guaranteed to get a 10% off coupon that you can use over and over again. So, I mean, it's a pretty good deal. Again, these are all check glass. These are kind of like a copper colored. I've got some faceted, I think they're called Saturn beads, but they put them all together. But look at this. They're so gorgeous. I love putting these in with like chunky tribal like memory wire bracelets that have like 4 or 5 rings in them, and putting this amongst like stones and larger rondelles, like rhinestones. Oh, I should have got more of these. I have a lot in earth tones, but aren't they gorgeous? And then a red color. And some different drucks, which are just round beads, but they have such beautiful different lusters. I thought these would be good for springtime, so I got some different ones with like different pink tones. If you see the number, you probably can, if you really like it, you could probably look that up at beadboxbargains.com if they still have some. So I got that. I got these. It's like a pretty mottled, almost like a light brownish pink. Then I got these. These look metallic. Sometimes you can't tell, you know, online. I mean, they're always high quality, but sometimes they're so much prettier in person. You're like, oh, I wish I would have got more. And you go back and they don't have any. So you just never know with them. Oh, but look at the luster on that. It's gorgeous. It's like a pinkish, but it has like this the shine to it. Let me put it in my hand, see. Whoops. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, can't wait to create with that. Go ahead and put this on top of the bag so they don't blow everywhere. Excellent, waiting to happen. And I always love working with neutral tones like browns. So I snagged some chocolate colored beads. Then I got these light blue ones. I don't have many in light blue. I tend towards pinks and greens, but mostly natural tones like sage greens and browns and mustards and things like that. I got some really pretty like wine colored ones. Again, this is all check glass. And I got these. These looked unusual. They're like mottled. They have purple, but they also have black and white in them. Not unusual. And all of these were less than, I mean, like $1.50 here. You'll be able to see the prices. I mean, $109, $69, $129, you know, $218. That's for two of them. So I mean, the prices are really, really, really nice and affordable. And like I said, they've always been high quality that I found. Oh, these are pretty. So these have a luster too, but they're a little bit different than this. Oh, wow. Look at the shine. Isn't it gorgeous? Kind of like a brownish. I'll have to try to put some in my hand. Oh, isn't that lovely? Wow. Oops. And there goes one on the floor. Oh, well. I will look for it before the cats get to it. Here's some more of those mottled type check glass beads, except this, instead of the black and white and purple, it's black and white and blue. Wouldn't that make beautiful jewelry for like a celestial theme? And because summer will be here before you know it, and I'm already craving lemonade, I got these adorable lemon slice charms to make earrings. So they have lots of these as well. They have actual stone pendants, just so many beautiful things, but they tend to sell out of certain things. So if you get your eye on something that you like, you know, make sure you snag it, because there's no guarantee that you'll find it again. So I hope you enjoyed this mini unbagging, and I'm really loving these green. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to create with these. I love pink and green together. Do you guys like that color combination? Let me know in the comments below. I love that color combo for spring. And so if you want to check out Beadbox Bargains, it's beadboxbargains.com. And like I said, if you sign up for the newsletter, I know they give you a guaranteed 10% off. And you can keep reusing that, and I used it for mine as well. So I hope you'd enjoy this. Hope you found some inspiration. And I hope you're having a happy, crafty day. Take care now. Bye-bye.